we have already discussed about different drawing instruments used in engineering drawing lab. Now I am going to discuss about the basic things which we need to perform in our engineering drawing lab before proceeding for main practicals or main drawing work. So first of all, we have to take a drawing sheet. Generally, when you will purchase it from a shop, you will get A1 size sheet. So, A1 size sheet, you have to share it into two parts lengthwise. Right? Now, it is converted into A2 size sheet. And one more important thing, when you will see it and touch it carefully, you will find one surface is more smooth compared to other side. Like suppose I am touching it, one surface is very smooth. For example, this upper surface is very smooth and downward surface is rough comparatively. So the surface which is smooth, that will come upward, and the surface which is rough will go down. The surface which is very smooth, we will perform our drawing operation on that smooth surface. So first of all, we have to take a A2 size sheet. For example, this is drawing board. On this drawing board or drawing table, we will place our drawing sheet, A2 size drawing sheet, at right bottom corner of the table. This is drawing table or drawing board, and this is our A2 size sheet, which is placed here, and with the help of this shallow tape. This shallow tape. This side we can also use the board clip, but at the middle portion we must use the shallow tape. With the help of the shallow tape, we have to place our A2 side sheet at the right bottom corner of the drawing board. After that, we have to create a space by drawing a margin line or border line. This is border line, this is border line, this is border line, and this upper one, this is the edge of the drawing sheet. This is the edge of the drawing sheet, which is placed at the right bottom corner of the drawing board. From right side of the edge of the sheet, we will take 10 mm gap and draw this line. From upper edge of the drawing sheet, this is upper edge of the drawing sheet. From this, we will take 10 mm gap and draw a margin line. From left side of the drawing sheet, this is left edge of the drawing sheet. From this, we will take 20 mm gap and draw a line. Means we have to draw a margin line or border line. Three sides will be of 10 mm gap, 10 mm gap, 10 mm gap, and from left side it will be 20 mm gap. After drawing this border line, what we have to do? We have to make a title block of side 65 mm into 185 mm at the right bottom corner of the sheet. This portion, this is right bottom corner of the drawing sheet. Here we have to draw a title block of size. This will be of, from this to this will be 65 mm, from the margin line, from the border line, this distance will be 185 mm. So first of all, we have to place a drawing sheet, inside drawing sheet on right bottom corner of the drawing board. After that, we have to draw a border line, 10 mm gap, 10 mm gap, 10 mm gap, and this is 20 mm gap. After that, taking reference from the border line, this will be 185 mm, this will be 65 mm. We have to further divide it into different dimensions for placing like different things like our college name, our name, roll number, section, date, check by, and further it will be divided into this dimension. This is nothing but this title block. Here I have drawn it in an enlarged side for clear view. This is 65. This is total 65. This is 185 mm. This is total 185 mm. In between this 65 and 185, this is 185 and 65. What we have to do? Take 20 mm distance from the bottom line. This is bottom line. Take 20 mm distance and draw a line. After that, take total 55 mm. This is 55 mm distance and draw a vertical line like this. From this vertical line, take 20 mm gap. This 20 mm. From this line, take 20 mm gap and draw a vertical line. After that, means we have to create 55 and 65 a block. After that, from this line to this is 10 mm gap. Again 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Means we have to create 7 mm 5 blocks. First block, second block, third block, 4 and 5th. After that, in this portion, we have to write our name, and here we will write our name. And here, roll number, whatever your roll number will be, you can write here. After that, your section, you can write your section here. After that, date, or you can mention the date at which date you are preparing the sheet. And after that, this is checked by. Here, the teacher will check this sheet. And here, you have to write the sheet number. Suppose this is your first sheet, you can write first. Suppose you are preparing this second sheet, you can write second. And suppose this is your third sheet, you can write here third, and so on. And in this space, you have to write the title of the sheet. Suppose in first experiment, you are going to study about construction of polygon. So you have to write here construction of polygon. And suppose you are going to study about projection of point and projection of line or anything else, whatever the title will be, you can write here. And here you have to write 1:1. This is scale, we will discuss it later on. And here in this block, you have to draw a first angle projection symbol. How it came and why we have to draw here, we will discuss it later. So in this lecture, simply I have explained what you have to do before proceeding for any sheet. You have to take your drawing sheet and you have to fix it at right bottom corner of the drawing board. After fixing the drawing sheet, you have to mark a border line. From right side it will be 10 mm gap, from bottom it will be from 10 mm gap, from top it will be 10 mm gap, and from the left edge of the drawing sheet it will be of 20 mm gap. After drawing that margin line or border line, we have to draw a title block at right bottom corner of the drawing sheet, and that will be of size 65 mm and 185 mm. After doing these all things, we have to further divide these blocks into this dimension, and accordingly we have to mention the things. If you want clear view, you can see here. This is total 185. This is total 65. This is 10 mm. This is 7 mm. Again 7. Again this is 7 mm. 7 mm. This is 7 mm. And finally this is 20 mm. And this vertical line is at the distance of 20 mm from this line, from this vertical line to this 20 mm, and this will be automatically 35 mm, as this total is 55. Okay, and in this upper block we have to write all dimensions are in mm, and in first 7 block we have to write name. You can write your name here. Roll number, you can write your roll number here. Section, you can write your section here. Date, you can write the date of practical performing. Checked by, here the teacher will sign. Sheet number, suppose this is first sheet, you can write sheet number first. Here you have to write the title of the sheet, and in this block total there will be the name of your institution or name of your college. In this block, this is 1:1, this is full scale, we will discuss it in detail further. And here this is first angle projection symbol, simply you have to draw it. I think there will be no any confusion, you will understand all things. So this is what I want to discuss in this lecture, and whatever I have to discuss I will discuss in next lecture. Thank you for now.